Hello, friends. Welcome to our podcast. I'm happy you're here today. Let's relax, take a breath, and start talking. Today's topic is something close to everyone's heart. Family. We all have people we call our family. Talking about family is a great way to practice English. It's easy, personal, and full of warm feelings. So, grab a cup of tea, find a comfortable place, and let's share stories about our families together today. Family is important in every culture. They are the people who love us, care for us, and help us grow. When you talk about family, you can start by introducing the members. Say how many people are in your family. For example, I have 4 people in my family. My father, mother, sister, and me. This is simple and clear. You can also say where your family lives. For example, my family lives in a small house near the park. When describing family members, start with their names and ages. My father's name is John. He is 45 years old. Add more details about what they do. My father works as a teacher. He teaches science at the local high school. Then talk about your mother. My mother's name is Lily. She is 40 years old. She is a nurse in the hospital. You can share about your siblings too. My sister's name is Anna. She is 12. She goes to the same school as me. If you have grandparents, introduce them. My grandmother is 70 years old. She loves gardening and makes delicious cakes every weekend. Talking about family hobbies is fun. We enjoy watching movies together on weekends. Sometimes we play board games or go for walks. Share about family traditions. Every Sunday we have a big family lunch. Everyone helps cook and we eat together happily. Talk about special memories. Last summer we went to the beach. We swam, built sand castles, and had ice cream together. You can describe how your family supports you. When I have problems, my family listens and helps me find good solutions. Say what you love most about your family. I love how we always laugh together and share good stories at the dinner table. If your family is far away, talk about how you stay in touch. We call each other on video every week. You can also talk about cultural differences. In my culture, families often live together with grandparents in one big house. Tell listeners why family is important to you. Family gives me strength, comfort, and a place where I can always be myself. Encourage them to describe their own families in English. Try telling someone about your family in 5 or 6 sentences today. Remember to use simple sentences and clear words. This helps the listener understand your family story more easily. Family stories connect people. They make conversations warmer and help us learn about each other's lives and cultures. Today, I hope you learned some simple ways to talk about your family in English. Practice and it will get easier. Thank you for listening to our podcast today. Now it's your turn. Go and tell someone about your family.